How'd they sneak up on it doesn't matter. Never mind. Why is everybody running like crazy? Is it illegal to be a spectator in Florida to a street race? Like, most of these cars weren't even running. And there was a lot of people here. Most of these people probably didn't even have their car there. I mean, can't you just say, I was going for a walk? Just stroll on out of there? Isn't it less suspicious to not run? I mean, that's just my 2 cents. Okay, so Brian gets rolling, but you don't hear the engine until a couple seconds later.
He's on Skyline, got him!
Redlining, my dude. Alright, maybe hand on my heart, gotta be honest with myself, maybe I play too much Need for Speed, but there's a massive gap right there. He could have flown through there, but instead he turns right and gives them a much better, you know, opportunity to get shot at. And he gets hit by this weird pseudo, you know, fake sci-fi EMP harpoon gun thing. It doesn't exist, but it's an interesting idea, but it's weird. Because it seems like such a dangerous tool to give to cops. It's like, here is a harpoon that, you know, if the suspect is deemed dangerous enough, you can fire this fucking harpoon at their moving vehicle. Puts together the longest list of reasons of why that can go wrong in the comments below. It's a goddamn cookie. Whoa. Hitting a parking meter took off the right headlight? Wait. No, the headlight is there after he hits it. Did the headlight gremlin steal it? Did the goblins take it? Did the fairies just decide, we need some light? Let's take Brian's headlight.
Let me see your hands! Put them up! Yeah, this is it, we got it!
I mean, this is U.S. Customs as well, so I really kind of have to say it. State-titled R34 being confiscated, bitch. It says U.S. Custom on those car covers. That's kind of cool. All right, if I get my hands on an R34, you know, all right, not if, when I get my hands on an R34, I should say, you know, got to be confident. I'm getting one of these covers. I'm going to use a U.S. Customs car cover for an R34 as just a terrible joke.
Do me a favor, when you get a second, I want you to check out the Evo and the Spider and make sure everything's copacetic.
Evo? Where'd you get an Evo from?
Bro, it's a long story.
I got you, man. Okay,
truth be told, Brian having an Evo is actually even stranger than him having a Skyline, even back then. Back then, Motor X was importing and federalizing Skylines. The Mitsubishi Evo 7 wasn't a thing in the US. We had to wait for the Evo 8 to come to our country before we could enjoy that all-wheel drive 4G63 Evo goodness. But not to mention, his Evo is left-hand drive. I don't know if there's such thing as a left-hand drive Evo, is there?